Welcome to your ultimate crash course in cryptocurrency. Whether you've heard the buzzwords like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFTs and felt left out, or you've dabbled in crypto but want to go deeper, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and exactly how people are making real money from it today. We'll walk through the full landscape, from the basics of blockchain to advanced ways to earn with DeFi, staking, and even crypto gaming. You don't need to be a tech genius, you just need to be willing to learn. This isn't about hype, this is about strategy, smart investing, and understanding the technology that's changing finance as we know it. So grab a notebook, focus in, and let's master crypto together. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that uses cryptography to secure transactions. But unlike regular dollars, crypto doesn't exist in physical form, and it's not controlled by any bank or government. It's decentralized, meaning no single person, business, or authority owns the network. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous person named Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first cryptocurrency. It was designed to let people send money to each other directly, peer-to-peer, without needing a bank. Other popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano followed. Each of them serves different purposes. Some are used as money, others as fuel for decentralized apps. Crypto is programmable money. That means you can write code that controls what happens to your money. This concept is behind things like smart contracts, which automatically execute actions like payments when certain conditions are met. 2. How does blockchain work? The foundation of cryptocurrency is blockchain technology. Imagine a digital ledger or notebook that everyone can access, but no one can erase. This is a blockchain. Each transaction is recorded in a block. When a block is full, it's added to the chain in a permanent way. Each new block contains data from the block before it, creating a secure chain that can't be changed. The blockchain is maintained by a network of computers called nodes. These nodes verify transactions, ensuring everyone plays by the rules. For Bitcoin and many others, this process is called mining. Miners solve complex puzzles to validate transactions and are rewarded with crypto. This system keeps the network secure and ensures nobody can cheat. Ethereum added smart contracts to the blockchain. These are self-executing contracts written in code. They can automatically perform actions like sending money when a condition is met, without human involvement. Blockchains are transparent. You can trace every transaction ever made. They're also decentralized, meaning they don't go offline or get hacked easily. This is why blockchain is considered more secure than traditional systems. 3. Types of cryptocurrencies. There are over 25,000 cryptocurrencies today, but here are the main categories you need to know. Bitcoin, BTC, the original cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold, used for storing value. Ethereum, ETH, enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. It's like the App Store of crypto. Stablecoins, USDT, USDC, tied to traditional currencies like the dollar, used for trading and protecting against volatility. Altcoins, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, alternatives to Bitcoin. Some are faster, cheaper, or offer different features. Utility tokens, used within specific platforms. Example, BNB for Binance, Matic for Polygon. Meme coins, Doge, Shiba Inu, started as jokes but can sometimes gain massive popularity and investment. Governance tokens, give holders voting rights in decentralized protocols. Each category has its own pros and cons. As a beginner, focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum first, then explore others as you learn more. Now here's how to buy crypto. Step 1. Pick a platform. Use a reputable crypto exchange like Coinbase, USA-friendly, beginner-friendly. Binance, low fees, wide range of coins. Kraken, great for advanced users. Step 2. Verify your identity. Most exchanges require a photo ID for KYC, Know Your Customer compliance. Step 3. Fund your account. You can use debit, credit cards, bank transfers, or PayPal on some platforms. Step 4. Buy your crypto. Choose the coin you want, enter the amount, and hit buy. That's it. Step 5. Optional. Move to a wallet. For extra security, move your crypto to a private wallet. Hot wallets, apps like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Cold wallets, hardware devices like Ledger or Trezor. Always use 2FA and write down your recovery phrase offline. Here are the most popular ways people are making money with crypto. 1. Hodling, buy and hold. Buy Bitcoin or Ethereum and hold for the long term. The value rises over time. Ideal for beginners. 2. Trading. Buy low, sell high. Traders use technical analysis to predict price movements. This requires skill and time. 3. Staking. Earn rewards by locking up your coins to support a network. Coins like Cardano and Solana offer staking. 4. Yield farming. Provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap and earn interest or token rewards. 5. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Create or invest in digital collectibles, popular in art, music, and gaming. Some NFTs have skyrocketed in value. 6. Crypto gaming and metaverse. Play to earn. Games like Axie Infinity reward you in crypto. Metaverse lands like Decentraland or Sandbox can be bought, rented, or sold. 7. Launchpads and IDOs. Invest early in new tokens before they hit major exchanges. Huge gains possible but very risky. 8. Airdrops. Sometimes free tokens are sent to users who meet certain conditions. Examples: Arbitrum, Uniswap. 9. Affiliate programs. Refer others to crypto exchanges or wallets and earn commissions. Here are some risks and scams to avoid. Crypto has big rewards but also big risks. Here's what to avoid. Scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Don't trust random DMs or giveaways. Pump and dumps. Avoid unknown coins with sudden spikes in price. Rug pulls. A project raises money and disappears. Always research the team and check community activity. Phishing. Fake websites and apps steal your login info. Bookmark official sites. Fake wallets. Use only trusted wallets with high reviews. Volatility. Prices can swing wildly. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Protect yourself by doing research, DYOR, using strong passwords, enabling 2FA, and storing assets securely. Now let's talk about crypto taxes. Yes, crypto is taxable. In most countries, profits from selling crypto are subject to capital gains tax. Even converting one coin to another can be a taxable event. Staking and interest are usually treated as income. Use tools like CoinTracker or Coinly to automatically calculate taxes. Always check local laws or consult a tax professional. Start small. Begin with $50 to $100 and learn as you go. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly instead of trying to time the market. Stick to top coins. Focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum until you gain experience. Use cold storage. Keep long-term holdings in hardware wallets. Keep learning. Follow credible sources, YouTubers, and crypto newsletters. Never FOMO. Don't jump into a coin just because it's trending. Educate yourself. Understand what you're investing in. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a new form of money that rewards patience and knowledge. Here are a list of trusted news sites. CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, Decrypt. Here are some crypto tools. CoinMarketCap, track coin prices and stats. MetaMask, browser wallet for Ethereum. TradingView, chart analysis. Top YouTube channels. Guy from Coin Bureau. Brian Young. Whiteboard Crypto. You made it to the end, and now you're no longer a crypto beginner. You understand what cryptocurrency is, how the blockchain works, and the multiple ways to make money in this space. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of crypto is constantly evolving. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll uncover. Start small, stay consistent, be smart, and never stop asking questions. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to understand crypto too. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite crypto project? Or what part of this video helped you the most? Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay crypto savvy.